Hello everyone, it's Lovely again and another day, another vlog. So as a promise to all of you that I'm gonna do a separate video of another way of having your presentation very creative as of presenting something while your screen is in there too. Like if you have seen my video about the basic addition, then that's the one that I'm going to tell you on how or what was the process when I do that. So if you're ready, let's go and do this. And by the way, thank you very much for all of my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell for you to get notified for the next video that I am going to do. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so here it is. All you have to do is to just open a PowerPoint. So I already opened one PowerPoint here. And what we're gonna do next is we're just going to go to the slideshow. And when you hit that slideshow part, you can see from beginning, from current slide, present, online, and the rest. But you can see this record slide show. There's a red dot there. So, okay, let's click that one. And okay, look, you can already see myself there. Hi. Okay, so you can't move this part as of the moment because you're just gonna record yourself. But later on, I'm gonna show you once we're done talking or saying something to this video, then as you ended with what you're doing, then I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm going to do. So let's click this record button here, the red one. Okay, 2, 1. Hello everyone, it's Lovely again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And alright, so this is my channel. So if you wanted to look for this channel, just type in Lovely Gel, and my niche is about education, music, and entertainment. Thank you. Okay, so I'll click the stop because I'm done talking already. Alright, so now the next step that you're gonna do is that you are going to click this close button at the top right corner of your computer. Okay, so there you go. You can see this face of me, of course. And now if you wanted to move it to some area where you are a lot more comfortable to be with, then you can move that around. Like let's say, for example, you want your video to be at the top of your presentation, then you can move that. And if you wanted your face to be a lot more bigger, then you can just stretch it out. And there you go. You can see it's big, but I'm a lot more comfortable of not flexing my face. So let's just go back to the normal size. And then let's try playing it. Hello everyone, it's Lovely again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And alright, so okay, so that's done, right? So what we're gonna do next is that we are going to select file because we are going to save this presentation. So when you save that, you just have to choose what or how are you going to save this. If you wanted to save it as a PowerPoint, or if you wanted to save it as a MP4, like the video one. So the one that I created for the basic edition, I saved that as MP4. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to click this up. YT. Save. Okay, so at the bottom part of your computer, when you're already saving this PowerPoint presentation to an MP4, then you can see this part here, the creating video YT. The name is YT. I name it YT for YouTube. So you have to wait until it's done. So we're gonna wait until it's done, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like when we're gonna play it already as an MP4.
A few moments later.
All right, so it's done. So now let's close this because it's already done. Okay, let's just save it into the moment. So let's go to files because we're gonna look for that file. So it says I saved it to OneDrive, right? So let's click the document, and okay, there is a file of the YT. And now, okay, be ready because this is how it looks like when you save your PowerPoint presentation as an MP4. Hello everyone, it's Lovely again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And alright, so this is my channel. So if you wanted to look for this channel, just type in Lovely Gel, and my niche is about education, music, and entertainment. Alright, so that's it. It was very cool, right? So that if you have seen my video about the basic addition, that's what I did. I created the presentation of PowerPoint, and I do the recording of myself as well. So when I did that video, you can see myself at the bottom right part of your computer while I am presenting something on the other side as well. So that was really cool too, and that would be a lot more easier too. If you wanted to like retake and retake to make it a lot more perfect, you can do that without affecting the presentation or the PowerPoint itself that you have created. You just have to redo the recording of yourself, right? That's cool. Alright, so I hope that you've learned from today's video, and thank you very much guys for tuning in until the end of this video. Again, if you haven't been subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell button for you also to be notified for the next video that I'm going to do. Thank you very much guys for your support. Stay safe and always pray. God bless everyone. Bye.